In this video, we'll show you how you can remove all the AI features from your Windows 11 laptop or PC within minutes. So first, when you open File Explorer and right click on any image, you'll usually see this AI actions menu that suggests a few actions here. Now, if you want to disable this, open the settings app on your PC. Now go to this apps section and here click on actions. Now turn off these toggles from here. Additionally, what you need to do is go to the apps section again, go to installed apps and here search for Copilot. Once you find it, simply click this three dot icon, select uninstall and then click on uninstall again. Additionally, what you need to do, go to the Photos app settings. Now here scroll down and you should see this option called Photos Legacy. So click on this button. This will take you to the Microsoft Store where you can download the older versions of Microsoft Photos app. Simply install it. Once you have installed it, you can search for the Photos and uninstall the newer versions of the Photos app from here. Finally, to remove AI features from the Windows search menu, what you need to do is open the registry editor. So type in registry editor and then click on open. Now in the registry editor window, you'll need to expand this H key local machine. Now here expand software. Now scroll down and then select policies and expand it. Now here expand this Microsoft folder. And finally expand this Windows folder. Now here you should see this Explorer key. Simply right click on it, select a new and then choose dword 32-bit value. Now you'll need to rename it to disable search box suggestions. This is case sensitive, so make sure to type it exactly like this and then hit enter. Now double click it and then change its value data to 1 and then click on OK. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your Windows 11 laptop or PC and you will no longer see any AI suggestions in the Windows Start menu or the search menu. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.